Good evening, everyone. This is Lynn from Paper Peas. First and foremost, as always, thank you so much for taking the time to tune in to my channel. Today, you see me staining and dyeing some manila folders that I have, and it's my intent to try to go ahead and get these to dry so that I can use them for my hashtag Tag Tuesday. So these are my dried manila folders. So whenever I am dyeing my papers, I always set aside some of my solution in a spray bottle so that as time goes on, if I want to create additional images or items in the same color schematic or just use that particular dye to go along with those papers, I always set aside some of that solution that I used in different spray bottles, and it's already, it's already acid free because I've already set the solution up to where it's going to be acid free, so I don't have to turn around and do remixing. These are just some manila folders that I had in my stash, and as you saw, I sprayed them with dye, some of the dyes that I had. I turned around and sprayed it with one of Tim Holtz's stains, so that's where you see the little blotches on it. But these are just regular manila folders that I am going to now cut down and make some tags. Now, I could have cut these down and then dyed them, but because I knew I wanted to make several of them, I just took the manila folders as they were and went ahead and did all of my, my staining and dyeing beforehand. So I decided to refilm this piece since I had my light down on us. I am cutting these down into the width of 3 inches at the moment. I'm not particularly concerned about the top of them because I'll come back later on and shave the top of them down to whatever the length I want them to be. But right now, I'm just cutting the folder itself. And also, I know that there's going to be 3 that are going to be a size 3, and then this is going to probably be like maybe a 2.5. So the little edges came out to be about 2, I'll say about 2.5. And the others that I cut, these are 3. So I've got several from just 2 manila folders. I've come up with about 12 3-inch widths and 4 2.5-inch widths, which is good. Most of the journal covers, or most of the journals that I make, they typically are height-wise, I would say maybe 8, 8.5. And so I want to be careful with the cards that I'm making to not have them, be longer than what my normal size of a journal would be. Starting off, I'm going to just cut off a little bit from the top. I'm not really concerned about the cornering because I'm going to do something with them anyway. So this is now about a size 3 by 8.25 because I tore this from a manila folder. You see that little raggedy edge down there? I'm going to probably just make these like a 3 by 7. Let's see. I like for my, I'm going to make them a 3 by 7. Yeah. Because I typically like for my tags to, if a person chooses to use them for like a bookmark as well. Okay? But no matter what, I'm always going to, these are my 2, these are 2.5 long. But right now, what I'm only solely going to focus on are really the 3 by 7s today. So I'm going to cut a little edge off of here. And don't get me wrong, we're not going to do away with these. I just put them in a stash stack, okay? So what I've done is I've taken my folders and I've cut them down to where these are 3 by 7, and then I have these that are 2.5 by 7. So I was able to get out of 2 manila folders, front and back, 12 3 by 7s and two 2.5 by 7s, along with this fabulous little stack of paper pieces right here that I'm going to use later on for something else. So I'm just going to sit those somewhere over here to the side. I'm going to sit these in this little thing that I have right now going. I'm pulling out my Misty. I have my Misty, and then I have several sets of stamps that I want to play around with. These are some Fisker stamps. I purchased these in a D-stash, I would say maybe 8 or 9 months ago from Miss Melanie, 1970. I love these. I have gotten several others, but I noticed that I hadn't used these, and I said, well, let me go ahead and pull these out and play with them. So that's what we're going to do today. I don't have specific colors. I think I'm going to use this black though. Let's see. So today I have several stickers that I have hauled, and I intend to use some of them to create some of my tags. Now I did a little stamping because I did want that clock on there, but you know, we can haul things, and I want to incorporate these particular stickers on my tags because they are transparent. They're the pet type. And I think these are going to be adorable in terms of layering as well. Now, when I first got pet stickers, I did not know how to use them. I'm assuming I might be the only one, but I did not know how to use them. Now I can snatch them off and put them on. Only thing I don't care for sometimes is the shininess. And so after I am finished with these, I might take and do a little inking over them some. I wanted to, so I've done a lot. I gotta admit, I've done a lot to my tag already. I dyed it, then I used some stain on them, then I did a small tap of stamping on them. Now I'm going to use some of the pet stickers that I have. And this is deliberate. I want to see how these work. Problem when you're using these stickers, sometimes you've got to really figure out where things need to go. And I think I'm only going to work on maybe 2 of the stamps today. Maybe 2 or 3 of them. I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 of them. I don't know, I'm gonna sit that there for right now. Just sitting it there. Let's see. There we go, right there. Okay. And I feel like I might need to put something right there. Dun, dun, dun. Just a little something. I don't know what though. Right there. That's it. Right there. My eyeliner on this one looks like it got a little squished. I'm gonna have to replace this. I think I'm going to have to, yeah, I'm gonna replace that one. Yeah, I don't like how it looked at all. At all. Thank goodness I can replace it right now too. Come on. Okay, hold on 1 second there. Okay. You guys know I thought I was recording this, right? I just realized it wasn't recording. That bothered me. Okay, there we go. All right. Now it's in there. All right. But I did. Seriously, I thought I was recording. Everyone, these are my tags for Tag Tuesday. If you'd be so kind as to subscribe, like, share, comment, come back and see me again. Most importantly, take care of yourself. I'd greatly appreciate it. Take care.